Hey, what's up everybody, it's Jack Mini Trades back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fold up your Neewer 660 RGB Pro LED softbox. This is a little bit of a frustrating thing to fold up if you haven't done it before, especially considering that they don't tell you how to do it when you unbox it. So I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube that go over this, but they don't really commentate, and they're also still pretty fast, even though they do it kind of slow, so I decided to make a full 120 FPS super slow motion video, and I'll just narrate along with it. So let's get into it. So the first step is to hold two opposing corners and then twist, kind of like you're turning on a car key. Then you want to fold one end underneath the other, and then fold the other end on top, like I'm doing here. And then you'll end up with this sort of circular area here where you just want to push that down and then fold over the other end into it. If that didn't make a whole lot of sense, I'll just show you guys this over one more time. Again, a little bit slower so that way you can see exactly how it's done. All right, so here we're going to go even slower. Again, you want to have your hands opposite to each other. You want to make a bit of a twisting motion while pushing inward with your left hand. In my case, it'll go underneath like this. Then you want to take your right hand and fold it over your left hand, covering up that little fold that you made before. That process will create a circular area here in my left hand, which is on the right side of the screen. Then you want to fold that in, and then take your right hand and fold the circular part on that side over top of the one on the left side, and you will be done. So if this helped you guys out at all, please remember to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.